So this is a new map I downloaded. Sorry if the sound ain't that good. So yeah, we're just gonna be looking at this Chinese looking map. I think it's like a temple. Okay, so you have a wide open area when you first enter. Go upstairs. So yeah, this is gonna be another house we're kind of working on. With like different rooms and structures. It's gonna be blue themed. And yeah, it's pretty big. We have multiple floors. My friend created this, so I'm just showcasing it because she doesn't have her own YouTube channel yet. Storage. We have a bunch of storage over here. Like I said, still under construction. This place is huge. So yeah, we're just going to be showcasing stuff like this, and then we'll be showing the finishing product later on. Sorry I haven't really got an intro together. I'm sort of new to YouTube. And the audio is probably terrible on this, but that's okay. So yeah, like, there's about like 5 or 6 floors. The attic. This is where my room's gonna be. Yeah, not that exciting. You know what? So, start making this look better. So yeah, my room's gonna be at the top. And later on I'll be playing with some friends. So, it won't be boring. Man, YouTube's hard. You're thinking that it was easy. So over here, I'm just gonna have some like dogs. I hate torches. So yeah. I'm trying to think of what a good dog name would be. Let's make it a gold house for the dog. Okay, that's kind of cute. Let's make this green for like fake grass. This place is gonna take a long time to get running. Sorry if I don't talk a lot. I focus when I build. So we're gonna have a boy and a girl. Blue for boy and pink for girl. And let's see. So disorganized right now. Poison and ender. Think we'll get more dogs later, but for now I'm just gonna focus on something else like my bed. What? Blue. Always with the blue. So it's gonna be like this. So this would be like that, and then like this. It looks a little weird, but it's a little better. Okay, so the rest of the room I will do off YouTube. I mean the room. So yeah, this is gonna be my room. It's gonna be mostly blue. Probably gonna look amazing when I'm done. So yeah, if you like the video, subscribe, like, and yeah, you know the drill. Just subscribe, please, like the video, and if you want to join, I will give you my profile on Omet so you can join.